Behind every luxury, exotic leather bag lies a process that blends tradition, science, and meticulous craftsmanship. Today, we take a closer look at how ethically sourced snakeskin is transformed into premium leather and ultimately into a high-end fashion piece. The journey begins in certified reptile farms, where snakes are raised according to strict international regulations. Only legally permitted skins are collected, documented, and transported to the tannery. Ethical sourcing ensures sustainability and preserves endangered wild species. Upon arrival at the facility, the raw skins undergo an initial cleaning. Dirt, residue, and remaining tissues are removed one by one. Then, the skins are heavily salted to prevent decay during handling. This simple step marks the beginning of preservation. Next, the skins enter large soaking drums. Here, water and mild chemicals rehydrate the skin, restoring flexibility lost during transport. It also removes excess salt, preparing the material for deeper processing. The skins are then placed into rotating liming drums, an essential step that loosens unwanted fibers. As the drums turn, remaining proteins and old scales detach, revealing a smooth foundation ideal for tanning. Fleshing machines carefully scrape the underside of the skin. This removes excess fats and membranes, ensuring uniform thickness. Precision here is crucial. The thinner the material, the softer the final leather. Now begins the transformation from raw skin to real leather. The skins are submerged in massive tanning drums filled with natural or mineral solutions. Chrome tanning creates soft, durable leather, while vegetable tanning delivers a firmer, traditional finish. After hours of rotating, the skin becomes stable, flexible, and resistant to decay. Color is added through deep penetrating dyes. The skins absorb vibrant pigments, emerald greens, ruby reds, classic blacks. Each piece passes through controlled dye tanks, then is stretched and dried to lock in the tone. In climate-controlled rooms, the leather dries slowly. Oils and conditioners are massaged into the surface, giving the leather softness, shine, and a luxurious feel. Finishing experts apply protective coatings, matte, glossy, or satin. These top layers enhance durability, add depth to the scales, and create the signature premium texture associated with fine exotic leather. Once perfected, the leather moves to the cutting department. Using precision dies or digital cutters, artisans cut the bag's panels, straps, handles, and pockets. Because snakeskins are narrow, the layout requires careful planning to maximize every inch. Every edge is sealed and painted by hand. Multiple layers are applied, sanded, and polished until the edges are smooth and flawless, a hallmark of luxury craftsmanship. Skilled craftsmen then assemble the bag. Panels are glued and stitched using heavy-duty machines and refined hand techniques. High-grade hardware, zippers, clasps, and rivets is added with exact precision. Inside, a soft lining gives the bag its structure and premium feel. Before any bag leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Every detail is checked: stitching accuracy, leather consistency, hardware performance, and overall craftsmanship. Only flawless pieces are approved to continue. Finally, the brand's logo is embossed onto the leather, often using heat and pressure. Each completed bag is placed inside a dust bag, then packed into a luxury box, ready for boutiques around the world. From raw skin to refined elegance, each step is a blend of science and artistry. This is the meticulous journey behind every exotic leather bag, a story of skill, tradition, and timeless craftsmanship. If you enjoyed learning how craftsmanship transforms raw materials into luxury fashion, consider subscribing for more behind-the-scenes processes and factory documentaries. Your support helps us create more educational content like this. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and tell us in the comments what production process you want to see next.